Hey, what's up? In this video I will show you how to add ear candy to your track. First, let's start with loops. I use quite often loops as background. Sometimes pretty loud and sometimes pretty quiet, really depends on track you are working on. To make loops even more interesting, you can add pitch automations, phaser, or whatever you like. Snare fills, adding pan FX in Sidechain. Adding pan really makes snare fills more interesting. FX kicks. I also call them thunder kicks. In future episodes I will show how to make this FX kick. Drum fills. You can do drum fills by yourself, or get them from sample packs. I also love add different sounds to drum fills, example, glitch FX, miscellaneous transition and so on. Action loops.
I can't admit I'm sorry. If I did, would you agree? And all the acted wrong, I can't admit
Action loops really help fill frequencies. You can also add some effects to them, like phaser, chorus, mid and high cut equalizer.
If I did, would you agree? And all the acted promises, all when you're with me, irresolute and different.
Lead FX, transitions. As you probably have noticed, on my tracks I really love to add panning effects on my lead transitions. Cut off automations. Adding this simple automation to ARP really gives some attention to the listener.
And all the empty promises, all when you're with me. A resolute indifference will hold us here and now. But I need to make a sacrifice. If I could, I'd tell you how.
I really hope that you liked this video, and it helped at last little bit. I will be very thankful if you will subscribe. Also don't forget to check out my samples packs, sound sets, hardstyle construction kits and many more. Thank you for watching and see you in next episode.